Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. The new upcoming most exciting Budget King mobile phone, the Samsung Galaxy A17 5G, latest price and launch details leaked. According to the latest available data, the new Samsung Galaxy A17 5G budget smartphone will launch, with next-generation 5G connectivity and many other exciting features. Samsung has officially announced its new mid-range smartphone, Samsung Galaxy A17 5G in some markets. Now its pricing and specifications have also been revealed. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. Earlier this month, the Samsung Galaxy A17 5G was spotted on several European retail websites, revealing its full specifications ahead of the official launch. Now, the brand seems to be launching the A-series smartphone soon globally. In the latest development, the pricing for the market recently leaked online. According to the tipster Abhishek Yadav, the Samsung Galaxy A17 5G is expected to start at $210 for the 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage variant. The 8GB plus 128GB model could be priced at $230, while the top-end 8GB plus 256GB variant may cost $260. This phone will be an upgraded version of its predecessor, Galaxy A16 5G, in which many new changes will be seen, from design to performance. The competition in the mid-range category is quite strong, and the Samsung A17 5G is ready to become a powerful contender in this race. What are the Galaxy A17 5G main specifications? The Samsung Galaxy A17 5G is tipped to feature a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display, with FHD Plus resolution, a 90Hz refresh rate, and up to 1100 nits peak brightness. It will have an under-display fingerprint sensor. Under the hood, the device is expected to be powered by the Exynos 1330 chipset, paired with up to 8GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage, which can be expanded via microSD. The smartphone is said to house a 5000 mAh battery, with support for 25 watts fast charging speed. In terms of the camera department, the Samsung A17 5G is likely to include a triple rear camera setup, promising a 50-megapixel primary sensor, with OIS and autofocus, a 5-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 2-megapixel macro camera. For selfies and video calls, it may opt for a 13-megapixel front camera. On the software front, the handset is expected to run Android 16 operating system, with Samsung's One UI 7 on top. Samsung could also offer 6 years of Android OS upgrades, along with 6 years of security updates. It is expected that the new Samsung Galaxy A17 5G will launch in the global market at the end of this month. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.